Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the complete Java developer roadmap for 2026. If you are a beginner and you want to become a professional Java backend developer, this roadmap will show you exactly what to learn, why to learn it, and how everything connects to real-world development. Let's start from the foundations and move step by step toward expert level skills. Before you write your first Java application, there are two skills that form the base of your journey: Git and SQL. These skills are universal and every software engineer depends on them. Git helps you manage your code. Imagine writing a project and wanting to go back to an earlier version or wanting to experiment without breaking your existing code. Git handles that. It lets you collaborate with teammates, create branches, merge changes and contribute to open source projects. In the real world, no company will hire a Java developer who does not understand Git. SQL is equally important. Almost every application needs a database. Whether you are storing user accounts, orders, logs, or analytics, SQL helps you read and write data efficiently. Learning SQL early builds your understanding of how real applications store information, and this knowledge becomes essential when you start working with Java frameworks later. Once the foundation is strong, you begin learning Java basics. This is your entry into the world of programming. You start with variables, loops, arrays, and strings. You learn how programs run, how data moves through memory, and how logic is implemented. This is the point where you begin thinking like a programmer. Next comes object-oriented programming. This is the heart of Java. You learn how to design classes, how to structure code, and how to organize your logic using OOP principles like inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. These concepts prepare you for building real-world software instead of small practice problems. From there, you move into collections and generics, which let you manage large sets of data efficiently. You learn exception handling to recover from errors gracefully. You learn multithreading to run multiple tasks simultaneously, and you explore Java 8's functional programming features, which modern Java developers use every day. By the time you finish Java basics, you will be able to build small projects, solve problems, and think clearly about how to structure applications. Java has evolved massively in recent years. In 2026, companies expect developers to use modern Java features, not outdated coding styles. You learn records, which simplify data classes. You learn sealed classes, which give you safer inheritance. Pattern matching makes your code cleaner and more expressive. Enhanced switch statements make decision-making easier, and virtual threads from Project Loom revolutionize concurrency by letting you run thousands of lightweight threads without heavy CPU usage. Mastering these features makes your code faster, safer, and much more modern. Many beginners try to skip this part, but it is extremely important. Data structures and algorithms improve your logical thinking. They help you write code that is efficient and scalable. They prepare you for technical interviews, especially at top companies. After basics and algorithms, you move into advanced Java. This is where you transition from learning Java to building real backend applications. You learn JDBC to interact directly with databases. You learn servlets to understand how web servers handle requests internally. You explore JPA to simplify database interactions using ORM. You learn JAXRS to build REST services without frameworks. And you dive into design patterns, which teach you how to write clean, maintainable, and reusable code. These concepts prepare you for the Spring ecosystem. You now choose your tools. Most Java developers use IntelliJ IDEA, followed by Eclipse or VS Code. A good IDE helps you write code faster, debug easily, understand complex projects, and work efficiently. Learning keyboard shortcuts debugging tools, and plugins will significantly speed up your development workflow. Go ahead with IntelliJ IDEA, which is widely used in the industry. Next, build tools. In professional development, you never compile or manage dependencies manually. This is where Maven and Gradle come in. They help you build projects, download dependencies, run tests, and create deployable packages. Most Spring Boot projects use Maven, but Gradle is becoming more popular due to its performance advantages. Understanding both tools is beneficial for your career. Next, databases, the real backbone of applications. You explore RDBMS systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. These systems power most enterprise applications. You learn how to write queries, optimize performance, and design schemas. Then you explore NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Cassandra. These are used when scalability, flexibility, or high data volume are important. Knowing when to use which type of database makes you a more versatile engineer. Next, testing. Professional developers write tests. Testing is not optional. You learn unit for unit testing, Mockito for mocking dependencies, and Assertj for expressive assertions. These tools help you catch bugs early and ensure your application behaves as expected. Companies always check whether you know testing tools. It shows maturity and professionalism. Next, commonly used libraries. You now add commonly used libraries to your skill set. Logging libraries help you understand what's happening inside your application. Parsing libraries help you read and convert data formats. Apache Commons gives you utility functions that save time and reduce boilerplate code. These libraries appear in real-world projects constantly. Next, Spring Framework, the heart of Java Backend Development. You start with Spring Core, learning dependency injection, inversion of control, and the Spring Bean lifecycle. These concepts allow you to build flexible and maintainable applications. You then learn Spring MVC to build REST APIs, Spring Data JPA for database operations, and Spring Security to protect your applications with authentication, authorization, and JWT. Spring AOP helps you apply cross-cutting concerns like logging and caching. Spring Boot simplifies everything by removing configuration complexity. And Spring Cloud enables microservices with service discovery, centralized configuration, API gateways, and distributed tracing. Mastering Spring makes you job ready. Next, REST API, communicating with the outside world. Once you know Spring, you can build REST APIs. This is how your backend communicates with front-end applications, mobile apps, and microservices. You'll learn how to design endpoints, handle JSON, and implement best practices for scalability and security. Next, microservices, building scalable systems. Microservices are everywhere now. Instead of building one giant application, you build many small independent services. You learn how to structure microservices, how they talk to each other, how to handle failures, and how to maintain consistency across distributed systems. This is where Spring Cloud becomes essential. Next, messaging systems, Kafka and RabbitMQ. Modern systems rely heavily on asynchronous communication. Kafka and RabbitMQ help services talk to each other without slowing down the system. Kafka is used for high-volume event streaming. RabbitMQ is used for reliable messaging. Learning these tools prepares you for enterprise-scale applications. Next, containers and cloud. Deploying your applications. Docker helps you containerize your services so they run the same everywhere. Kubernetes helps you deploy, scale, and manage containers in production. And cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud give you powerful infrastructure for hosting your applications. Every modern company uses cloud and containers, so these skills are essential. Next, DevOps and observability. Finally, you learn how to automate and monitor your systems. CI/CD pipelines help you deliver updates quickly and safely. Logging, metrics, and tracing help you understand system behavior, detect issues, and improve performance. This is what turns you into a full end-to-end backend engineer. And that completes your in-depth Java developer roadmap for 2026. You begin with foundational skills, master Java, move into Spring development, build microservices, deploy them to the cloud, and finally learn DevOps practices to maintain real-world applications. Follow this roadmap step by step, and you will become a strong, confident, and industry-ready Java backend developer. You can check out my 20+ Udemy courses to learn all these skills to become a complete Java developer. Whether you are looking to advance your skills in generative AI, ChatGPT, Java, Spring Boot 4, microservices, Spring Security 7, Spring Framework 7, full stack development, functional or reactive programming, testing, or want to explore AI tools like ChatGPT, there's a course here to accelerate your learning and career growth. All my courses are project-oriented and follow industry standards, designed to give you real-world experience and confidence. On this page, you will find all my Udemy courses, discount coupons, and updates on new courses. I offer discounts to my blog readers and my YouTube channel subscribers. Check out the below courses. Each has discount coupon code attached up to 85%. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.